Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. On this dark and gloomy Halloween night, we have returned to the Haunted Hotel down here in Louisville, Kentucky. This is a full contact haunt, and we're going to take you inside with us, but don't forget to stick around to the end to watch Nora face her fears and eat an actual spider. Without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Better look.
No!
Yeah.
It's half off.
It's half off. It's on sale.
That's mine.
I don't know. It's opening up.
No.
Yes. Yes. Let's go.
Okay.
Yes, no, I'm so confused.
I think so.
So you want to answer my question again? Did you call ahead?
Yeah, I dialed number 13.
I really don't believe you, considering there ain't nothing in that book. I missed a call in the past 80 years, darling.
Oh, yeah. Somebody answered.
Is there really nothing in the book, or
But
can you just
there ain't
not
nothing in it.
see?
You want to come see?
Your eye looks like it may be skewed a little bit.
Prophecy
It's
might have the glaucoma. I can see just fine.
Could be the glaucoma talking.
So now I have to go out of my way and make sure you all have somewhere to stay, right?
Yeah, we would appreciate that.
There's keys back here.
They don't go to nothing. You ought to know that by now. When you see what's open for them, you ain't gonna like it, I'll tell you that much. The rats are
Right this way.
bed bugs by the size of your forehead. It's not a pretty sight.
Oh, that's a big bed bug.
Go on, get.
Good evening.
Oh my.
My name is Locke, and as your concierge, I would like to formally welcome each and every one of you to the Haunted Hotel, where it's everyone who tolls the bell. You see, a price tonight's not paid in money or gold. No. A price tonight is worth your immortal soul. Looks like your rooms are ready.
Oh, just wonderful.
Uh-oh.
Oh, God. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like this at all.
Oh,
You're
there we
not
go.
by yourself.
I'm not, exactly.
Oh my.
And she's drooling.
Oh my. Oh God. Get up here.
Oh, no, that's not a cool sound. That's creepy. Going down!
Oh, hold on.
No.
One step down! Oh, God.
One step down. I saw a shadow, Tammy.
You're still coming here.
All them broken parts up down that elevator.
What is that? I don't know. Oh, shit.
Oh, we really need one.
Oh God.
So maybe we'll take an arm this time.
I prefer the arm over
I can do an arm.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh.
Where are you going? You're going to do one, doesn't he?
Well, he kind of does, yeah. Oh, not mine though.
Not yours.
That won't fit.
Well, yours won't fit anyway. Watch the body parts.
There's lots of body parts. And keys. I don't think they're happy we're checking in, guys.
Oh my.
What in the world?
Oh man.
No. What is that? I don't
Oh God. Coming out.
No. Which dolly? No, that one.
Oh, that doll.
Nora!
I didn't do it.
Tyler!
What?
Why did you let her do it? Come on, why did you let her do it?
I didn't see her do nothing.
Chop it out!
Chop it
Get over here, chop it out! Alright, I got you!
Oh, Tracy, watch out. Ooh.
Right here, you do! Right here! Right here! Right here! Right there in the base! You don't need it!
And this is how we celebrate Halloween.
Just in time.
Oh, she didn't lie about those rats. That is a big one.
How do you control the ones that no longer believe?
Oh man.
There's two touches, you see. A touch of God and a touch of something else. You're going to pay for your sins, you see.
Oh man. Oh God.
You're going to burn in hell.
Oh.
The blood of Christ for you.
Oh. Ew, you should not eat that.
Say girls, pretty girls.
Uh-oh.
There's lots of blood in here.
Lots of blood?
Oh, something has gone terribly
Are you sure
wrong in
that's
the
blood?
bathroom. feel something on my ankles. Hey guys.
On your ankle?
Something on the ankle?
Oh, you do.
She's ankle biter. Oh, God.
The shit is desperately full.
Shooter is full.
Oh my God.
It is full.
Do not trust
Oh,
the kid.
I don't like it. Oh!
What is that?
Fudge.
Oh.
Oh God.
Oh, God, where's that going?
Oh Lord.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my.
I'm doing it.
Oh, what is that?
Somebody else. I don't know.
Oh, no.
Ew, I don't need no whiffs.
No.
Oh,
You have to get a whiff.
Oh, Ew. Oh, that's freaking cool. There's so much fog. Oh, E.T. phone home. I don't think this is going to do me any good.
No.
He likes that smell. I think he might be doing some of the mold remediation.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure. We'll roll with it. We'll roll with it.
What they're doing. Oh God.
Nope.
No, you can't have.
That's what I told him. There's our bed, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Oh God.
No.
Oh. Jesus.
Every time.
You know when that music is satisfied, it's time to freaking go. Oh, that's a new one. No. That way.
Oh, my.
Absolutely. Way up there. I just love it. Oh my.
Oh.
Oh my.
He sounds agitated.
That one doesn't sound right. Oh no. Jesus.
Oh. No.
Oh, you gotta go.
I want to go that way. Okay. I don't want to do that. I don't want to crawl.
Tammy, they're gonna kill us now because we didn't follow orders.
I'm not messing up my
you
pants.
Well, she's got half of one pigtail, so.
I mean, look at me. I've lost a headband. I've half a pigtail left.
Oh, my.
They will not get my pants too.
Oh.
What is that? I don't know. Ew. Is that
Oh, you got some mighty sharp teeth. I think they tried to eat Tammy's hand.
He did.
Oh, what the fuck?
Wood chipper?
Not really.
Wood chipper?
I love it.
I feel like that's not a wood
I
chipper.
don't think it's a wood chipper.
Tall. I have to cut your legs off.
Okay.
You want to kiss the chainsaw off?
No.
Come on.
Kiss it.
Right next to the Hello Kitty sticker.
My headband is gone. I have a braid that's missing. What the fuck just happened?
The haunted hotel, that's what happened.
What the beep just happened?
What the
is
beep
what I
just,
meant.
right? What in the world has she got?
That is terrible.
It is a spider,
No.
and it is edible.
No, you can eat it.
And
I will
you
watch you eat it.
Aren't gonna eat it.
No, you eat it.
No, we bought this just for Nora.
No, Nora's not eating the spider.
Nora's gonna eat the
No.
spider.
No, ma'am.
It's a once in a lifetime.
I might eat the leg.
I want you to
Uh-oh.
eat that.
No.
my.
Oh my God! Look at that. Ew.
Let's get a little shot here.
Yeah, show it to the camera. You gotta hold it like. Oh God.
Oh, man.
That's disgusting.
And Nora's gonna eat it.
No, I'm
Oh,
not.
man.
Oh my God! Is that really that thing's legs?
Just swallow it whole. Hold your nose.
You can say you ate a spider.
Hold your nose.
Oh God.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
No,
Oh,
we
God.
swallow that.
Oh, God.
I can't swallow it.
It's just a cricket.
Here, hold it.
It's down. I'm not doing anymore. No.
Hold it.
Nope.
Hold
Gum.
it.
It's you. Oh, just hold it.
Hey, what is that? Is it a tarantula?
Oh
It
my
is.
God, that is
Oh, it's a little tarantula.
Leg.
I don't like it.
All right, so that was the Haunted Hotel down here in Louisville, Kentucky. Let us know what you thought. If you enjoyed this one, you are not going to want to miss the American Horrorplex. It's another pretty intense one down here in Louisville. I've got it linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.